Did you know that your white blood cells naturally produce hypochlorous acid, and that helps to repair your dry skin and any skin ailments you might be having? Well, this is basically that in a bottle. It's called Happy Skin. It's a really unique product and you can use it on your whole family. It's safe for children and we've been using it on our skin. It's pretty light, I would say. So for us, so far, the results have not been super dramatic, but I do feel like it does make a difference in your skin, especially if you're experiencing any sort of dry skin or some unhappy skin. So right now I'm having a lot of dry skin right around here. So I'm gonna close my eyes and just do a few sprays. You don't have to wash it off or anything. My kids say that after they smell it, they say it smells like a pool. It kind of does have that chlorine smell to it, but there's no burn, no sting, anything like that. You don't even feel it go on. So just anywhere you feel like your skin is unhappy, this is the Happy Skin Spray. A good thing to have for your whole family, and I think you should try it out.